Hello. Thank you for stopping by ES Loud International's website today. My name is Steve Loudenback and this is my website. So I wanted to give you a little bit of information about what you should expect to see on this website before you click the Start Here button below me. First and foremost, I am an affiliate marketer. I have scrubbed the internet for months and months, spent countless of hours only trying to become an affiliate for some of the best and legitimate companies around. Nowhere on my website here you will find multi-level marketing or any scams or anything like that. I will not allow it. Period. Second of all, with multiple products and services and tools that you see on my website, it's only here for you guys to be successful. I wanted to put this all together in one place so you don't have to waste any more time. You can always come here, esloudinternational.com. Many times you can please refer your friends to us if you like the stuff that you see here. And let's not waste any time. Let's go ahead and get started. Go ahead and click the Start Now button, start here, and let's do this.